just
Oh, is that a dam?
yeah, that's the dam.
Oh, stone.
So we're at the end of the dam. Well, so we're at the dam itself, and they are doing renovation of the dam. So we're just gonna check it out, the work that they're doing. So they made a walk or a drive-through to the bottom of the dam. So we're just following the walkthrough. So they're busy with fixing the overflow. I used to go swimming here when there's less water, when it's safer in the days in the 60s. So, but the dam itself has changed quite a bit. It has. Yeah, I used to go swimming here on the outlet, the outflow, and the other side too. Used to go swimming there when there's lots of water. So, look like they're doing something there. Yeah, they're doing something there. Making away. Okay, the guys look like they're taking a break. So these dragon's teeth are the water breaker. Yeah, look like they're adding more dragon's teeth. So it's all lined up all the way there. So it's just this part used to be super deep. So I go swimming here. So the gate is lifted. Lots of water flow. You have to save it. So this is where they mix the cement aggregates. It's quicker this way. This is the back side of the dam. I was under the impression that they were going to de-silt this part, but however, keep using the word but. I don't think they will do that. So I don't think they intend to de-silt this part. It's way too deep. It's like 4 meters deep now. We used to go boating over there, going southwest. So there's a boat to take the ride out.